This is social media versus reality, Bali's most iconic sports. First up, the gates of heaven at Lempiong Temple. Online, it's all about the mirror illusion. But in reality, if you visit at sunrise, you'll witness Mount Elgon glowing in the distance. Pure magic, no tricks needed. Next, we have Kelingking Beach. Sure, the hike is tough, but the reality? That jaw-dropping view from above in the morning is worth every step. Finally, the Bali swing at Tegololong. Social media makes it look magical, and the reality? It's even better. Soar above the stunning rice terraces and feel the Russian experience as breathtaking as the view itself.